In this video, I am going to show you how to make before and after video in Canva. So what you'll need to do first is simply go to canva.com in your preferred browser and make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create your account right away. So once you do so, I am just going here and creating a project. I'm going to create a video projects. So I do have here some videos. I'm just going to upload one of them. And let's just go and upload this one. First of all, as you can see, the quality of this video is not too good. And I want an example to make it better. So this is an example, it will be before. I just go here and add a text box, and I'm just going to add here before, bold, and make it a little bit bigger. Put it here, add a new video. And now what I'll do, simply go to apps, and here I'll look for video enhancer or upscaler as an example, yeah. As you can see, you'll need to download it. Then simply go and choose a file. So choose a file basically that you want to enhance. Make sure to choose the same video. Example, this one. And as you can see, I'm just going to click on upscale video. So for me, as you can see, I already done this. I already have the video upscaled. And oh, not this one. Okay, sure. Let me just go and upscale it. It will take a moment. As example, okay, now one of those, this one. So it will take some moments. So you'll have just to wait until it's finished. Of course, for you, you don't have to upscale it. You can just do the video before and then add your video after. Let's say, for example, I do have another video here, and let's say that this is my video after. So here, I'm just going to add example a text again, and it should be after. Of course, it's not like necessary to add this before and after. You can even add a transition between them. Example, this one, and now you can play your video. As you can see, you'll be able to see the video before and then the video after. So that's about it. That's how you make a before and after video in Canva. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out.